Good afternoon, students. Have a nice day. Welcome to 6th Standard English class. I hope all are safe by God's grace. Today, we are going to see about grammar exercise, sentence, and kinds of sentences. What is sentence? Sentence is a word or group of words which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. It gives some meaning. A sentence is a complete thought. A sentence expresses something sensible. It provides information. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. A sentence should be in proper order. For example, the sand is hot. The dog is sick. We had to lock it up. Can I have a plum? We sat on the bench. Classification of sentences. Generally, sentences are of four kinds. They are: first one, declarative or assertive sentences. Second one, imperative sentences. Third one, interrogative sentences. Fourth one, exclamatory sentences. First one, declarative or assertive sentence. A sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called a declarative or assertive sentence. Statement sentence. A statement always begins with a subject followed by verb. Other words will follow the verb and we find full stop at the end of the sentence. For example, I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning daily. I subject, get up verb. Some more example. The boy is happy. I put my money in a piggy bank. That is my camera. The eagle is flying. The people are running. Negative type of sentence. This is also called which gives negative ideas. For example, I don't know English. She did not sing well. She did not come yesterday. I haven't seen the Taj Mahal. Second one, imperative sentence. A imperative sentence that expresses a command, a request, or suggestion is called an imperative sentence. The structure of imperative sentence. An imperative sentence always begins with verb only. This sentence has no subject. We find full stop mark at the end. For example, shut the door. Shut main verb, no subject. A request always begins with the word please, followed by the main verb. This too has no subject. We find full stop mark at the end. For example, please help me. Please, request word, help me, main verb. No subject. Some more example for imperative type of sentence. First one, Mom, please tie my shoes. Second one, please bring the pizza to the table. Third one, mark to all of your homework before you go out to play. Fourth one, open your mouth. Fifth one, do 10 push-ups and 20 jumping jacks. Next examples, walk on the pavement. Command. May I use your pen? Request. You had better consult a physician. Suggestion. Shoot down the enemy. Command. Try and try again. Advice. Let's go for a walk. Suggestion. Don't talk. Order. Can you lend me 500 rupees? Request. Do or die. Command. Bring the dress tomorrow. Command. You must apply for a job. Suggestion. Third one, interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. The structure of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence begins with an interrogative word like when, where, which, whom, how, why, etc. Then it is followed by an auxiliary verb. Subject follows the auxiliary. Next we write the main verb and other words. We put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Sometimes a question may begin only with an auxiliary verb without an interrogative word. For example, how did you write your exam? How, interrogative word, did, auxiliary verb, you, subject, write, main verb, end, question mark. Next one, do you know English? Do, auxiliary verb, you, subject, know, main verb, last one, question mark. Some more examples. May I borrow your newspaper? Did you turn the light off? What is your favorite song? Do you ride the bus? Have you ever visited New York City? Next one, exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? A sentence that expresses strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. The structure of exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence always begins with an exclamatory part like what a bad or how tall or alas or well done or bravo, etc. We find subject and verb at the end with an exclamatory mark. For example, what a bad day it is. What a bad day! Exclamatory part. It, subject, is verb, last exclamatory mark symbol. How tall she is. How tall! Exclamatory part. She, subject, is verb, last exclamatory mark. Some more example. Happy birthday, Tom. Ouch, that hurt. Banana, spelt are the best desserts. What a beautiful rose. Assignment exercise. Punctuate these sentences correctly and identify their kinds. Write declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory. First one, send these letters to Harsh. Imperative sentence. Second one, during the holidays we went to Uti. Declarative sentence. Third one, have you ever visited the Charminar? Interrogative sentence. Fourth one, Karan's favorite singer is Harjit Singh. Declarative sentence. Fifth one, it's such a gripping and well-made film. Exclamatory sentence. Sixth one, please wait for Jodi at the railway station. Imperative sentence. Seventh one, how kind of Suresh to help the injured dog. Exclamatory sentence. Eighth one, haven't you been learning Kathak for 3 years? Interrogative sentence. Second exercise. Tick the correct options. Mark Twain is known for his wit and humor. Declarative. Second one day Mark Twain went to a barber. Declarative sentence. Third one, Mark Twain, give me a shave. Imperative sentence. Barber, you have come at the good time. Declarative sentence. Mark Twain, why do you say that? Interrogative sentence. Sixth one, Barber, Mark Twain is going to lecture here tonight. Exclamatory sentence. Seventh one, don't miss this opportunity. Imperative sentence. Eighth one, have you bought your ticket yet? Interrogative sentence. Ninth one, Mark Twain, no, I haven't. Declarative sentence. Tenth one, Barber, well, it's surely sold out, so you will have to stand. Declarative sentence. 11th one, Mark Twain, just my luck! Exclamatory sentence. 12th one, I always have to stand when that fellow's lectures! Exclamatory sentence. Okay, children, I hope all are watching this video class and PDF link. Write in cursive style and neat presentation. Watch the YouTube video link till you understand. Read and write given exercise in in your English note. Complete the given assignment and report on time without fail. Take care, children. Thank you.